Hello my friends and welcome back again to the channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the iPhone home screen customization after the release of iOS 26. Of course there are like new features after the release of iOS 26 concerning the iPhone home screen customization, and there are like a bunch or a lot of other features that were available with the previous iOS which was iOS 18. So when we want to customize the iPhone home screen, of course, we tap and hold on the home screen, and then we can delete apps from here or just tap and hold and then drag them. And of course, don't forget, you can tap on some other apps, then you will be able to move them all together. That is the first one. Now, the second one here, of course, concerning the design, we have a lot of changes available here. The first one to mention is the liquid glass. As you can see now, if we look at the minus when we want to delete an app, of course, it is the liquid glass. Even here in the dock, okay, we can see that the liquid glass is available. And of course, this is like an amazing feature that has been added to iOS 26. Now, the next thing is, let's tap and hold again. And then when you want to edit the home screen, we have the edit option available here. Just tap it, okay? And then now we have 4 options. Now, before going to add widgets and customization, okay, there's, a new option that has been added here, which is the edit wallpaper. But here you will be able to edit the wallpaper for the home screen, not the lock screen. So you can just go with the options in the bottom, that like the color, the gradient, and a photo if you want to change, and the blur mode. Now let's go back to pair, and then if I tap on blur, okay, now the background for the wallpaper is blurred. Tap again, it will be just like before. Now here in the bottom we have edit pages. Don't forget that this was available before as well. Now here, what do we have here? You can hide or unhide an entire page, which is home page, which is full of apps. Now just tap here and tap here as well. Let's tap done and see how many pages I have. Only 3. 1, 2, 3. Now tap and hold again and tap on edit and edit pages. And then if you want to get them back or unhide them, just take them again, and that's it. Let's go back and see. Now I have more than 1 page, which I hide 2 of them, but now they're back. Now let's tap and hold again, edit again, and tap on add widget. Of course, this option was available. You can add it to your home screen. Let's go with this one just for an instance, and let's go and see the styles available for this widget when you want to add it to your home screen. Let's go with this one just for an instance, and that's it. Now let's tap and hold again and move to the last option, which is the customization. Now tap on customize and let's talk customize. Now here, the first thing to mention is that if you tap on this little kind of like sun icon, now the background goes into like a dark mode or style. Tap again, it's light again, okay? Tap again, it's dark. So choose the one that you want. Now, what do we have here? If you tap on these 2 little icons, which one of them is small and the other one is large, of course, these are for the app icons. Now, the app icons are now larger. Let's tap again. They are smaller. What happens? What is the difference? Of course, when it gets larger, we don't see the name of the app under the app icon. Let's tap again. I really like this one because we already know all the apps names, so there is no need to, there is nothing to worry about that. If you want the smaller one, just tap again, and then you'll have the small icon back. Now, the styles of the icons, we have 4 now. Just like before, we have the default one, which is this one, and we have the dark one. So the dark one, when you tap it, we've got 2 options available here: always and auto. Of course, the auto, when it gets dark, according to the sunrise and sunset, so it will get dark. Let's say always, for example, and see how it looks. Now, what is the next? Now, The next thing is the clear style, which is the liquid glass transparent app icon style, which is something really amazing and cool. I really like it. So of course, I mean, it affects every single app on your iPhone, and I really like it. Let's tap again and see if we have like anything else when we talk about the clear, transparent, or liquid glass app icon styles. Of course, we have more than one option. Now, this is the auto, this is the dark, and this is the light. Of course, if you want to enable auto, when it gets dark, when it's night, it will look like this one. If it is, if you don't want to use the dark mode or style, just tap on light, and that's it. For me, it is number one. Now let's tap again and see what is left. Now tap on customize again, and here we have the tinted one. And of course, I mean, this is not new because it was available with iOS 18 as well. You can choose the color, and then here again, now the darkest mode of that color and the lightest mode. Yeah, choose the one that you want. Of course, you have these options as well: light, dark, and auto. And if you tap here, you'll be redirected to the clear one, and this one is the color that you've already chosen. Now, of course, you can tap here and then choose like a color on the wallpaper, and then it will be just like the color of that color that you've chosen or selected. So this was everything that you should know concerning the iPhone home screen customization after the release of iOS 26. And for me, actually, concerning the styles, I really prefer this one. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.